So today we are going to compare and contrast two types of trains. The first one is a maglev train. And we're going to compare and contrast the maglev train with a regular train, a normal train, a diesel train. Now just looking at these pictures, what do you notice? What do you notice about the diesel? What is diesel? Does anybody know? Diesel. Nobody? Take a guess, try.
You burn
wood? Black things? Right, diesel is a gas that we use. You get it at the petrol station. But your car usually doesn't use diesel, but the school buses use diesel gas. What do you notice about the school buses? They make a lot of what behind them? What color is that smoke? Black smoke. So the diesel train burns diesel. It also, you cannot see it, but it has, what are these? It has wheels. And the wheels move on a track. But the maglev train does not have wheels. And it moves on a track, but the track of the maglev train is called the guideway. The guideway. So both are trains. See the shape in front? Quite different. This looks more like an aeroplane, right? A maglev train. So we're going to compare and contrast these two types of trains, the maglev train with the diesel train. Now I just want to ask you, have any of you ever been in a regular train that has diesel? In Taiwan? Okay, hands down. How many of you have ridden in a maglev train? Wow. Where? Anybody was in a maglev train in a different place? No? All of you, almost all of you have been to Shanghai. So what was interesting to you? What can you tell me about the maglev train when you were inside? Yeah? No? Yeah? Eileen.
Feel that you're flying.
Feels like you are flying. Feels like you are flying. Are you flying?
No.
Let's get there, right? So let's carry on. Maglev train. Now maglev train works with magnets. Now you already know what a magnet is. This is a magnet, right? And I actually made a maglev train this weekend. Here's my maglev train that I made. Okay, so you know that a magnet has two sides. If this is positive and this is negative, what will happen to those two magnets?
It goes together.
They will move together. They will attract. This one will move this way and this one will move that way and they will stick together. But what happens if you have a magnet here and a magnet there and this is plus and this is plus? They will push away from each other. This one will push away and this one will push away, right? What do we call this? Repel. Attract, repel. Let's see, what about, which one do you think makes the most noise? The diesel train. The diesel train, let's see. Do you think the maglev train makes any noise?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's listen. What did you notice? What's the first thing you notice?
It's very fast.
Sound. It is a sound. I also noticed how fast it went, right? You look and it's gone. Must be scary if you're standing there. What sound did you hear? What is that sound that you hear? It's air friction. It's air friction. What about the regular train? What kind of student are you? Are you a maglev student or are you a regular student? I hope I have, actually I can say these are all magnet students. Okay, I think, that was slow. Very slow. You heard a big sound, right? Was it more or less than the maglev train?
More.
Much more sound. What was the sound from? Coming from?
The wheel.
The horn, the air friction, and the ground, the wheels on the ground, and you could hear the engine that's burning the gas to give the power. So these are very different, right? Comfort. Which one do you think is more comfortable? This is the maglev, this is the regular. Why do you think the maglev should be more comfortable? Yes?
Because it costs more inside.
It costs more inside to build, and then, okay? It's newer. Eric says because it's newer and it's more fancy. Yvonne?
Because the technique was better this time.
It's more modern, so the technology is better class. Anything else? Which one do you think might be more comfortable? Yes?
I think the regular train will be more comfortable.
The regular train.
Because it's more bigger and you have more place to sit and to lie down. Maybe.
It's very interesting. You know, you won't, for example, you won't get a bed on a maglev train. But on a regular train, look, there's 1, 2 seats, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the maglev train, you're more squeezed, whereas the regular train could be more comfortable if I look at these pictures. So let's go down here, and we can see we have a Venn diagram. So, right, so this circle is for maglev, and this circle is for regular. And here is for both. So what I would like you to do is, if you would like to, raise your hand, and I want you to, we'll look at this word. What does it say?
Fastest.
Fastest. Now you must say, you can come up and you can say, Mr. Otter, I think it should go here, because the regular train is the fastest train. Or you say, Mr. Otter, I think it should go here, because I think the maglev train is the fastest train. Or you say, Mr. Otter, I think both are fastest. What do you think? Come, Eric.
I think the maglev train is faster.
Do you agree with him?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. I just want to move it a bit so that we can fit in the both here. Thinks, which one costs more to maintain? Remember I said I wasn't sure. Do you remember we were talking about that? Maintenance. Oh, we need some other students. Come, honey. Thank you. Yes, very good. Thank you. Both cause pollution, right? Now, actually, she's smart. You can be, even if you don't know, you can still get it. Why? Because of this. When we compare, we use the word both. Very important word when we compare two things. Many times students, they say, all are. But all is not for two things. It's for 3 or more. For 2 things is special. We use the word both. Come, Jennifer, don't be shy. You are a smart girl. Both are trained. Is she right?
Yes.
Yes, well done. Right, very quickly, which one has more friction? Regular. Which one has more pollution? Regular. Which one has less friction? Maglev. Which both carry passengers? Both. Thank you.